Welcome, and thank you for joining us today. We're going to talk about the Model 3250 micro-osmometer and the OsmoTECH XT single-sample micro-osmometer. You may be familiar with both of these instruments, and we're going to look at how one is better suited for your GLP or GMP environments today. Since we're talking about GLP and GMP environments, we need to take a look at how you manage your data with the Model 3250. So the Model 3250 will store 30 test results, and you can export that data out through an RS-232 communications port. However, that is really inefficient to export 30 results at a time. It also has a built-in thermal printer, which is suitable for the clinical environment, but is not suitable for the biotech environment. As you know, it fades over time, and therefore you would either have to transcribe the results into another database or make a copy of the printout. So now let's take a look at the features the OsmoTECH XT has that helps you manage your data. You have the capability to export your databases from the instrument. This would be the results, events or audit trail, users and controls databases to a network folder or to a USB. This is a copy of the data, and the data always remains on the instrument to meet the data integrity requirements. You also have the capability to back up the instrument. The backup functionality also backs up the configuration files on the instrument, which allows you to import it back onto the instrument if there was ever a catastrophic failure and you needed to restart the instrument. The next thing we need to take a look at is how the instrument communicates with your network or your file server. You can use a local area network in which your IT people would set up specific folders, allowing you to automatically download your results database to that network folder. It also has OPC UA communications capability, which gives you true bidirectional communication with the instrument. Since it's a single sample instrument, the only thing you can really do remotely is lock the instrument and not allow it to be run, but you can also preload sample IDs to the instrument for an analyst to run at a later time. And this is how it meets the data management requirements for biotech industry. I hope you found this presentation insightful, and thank you for joining us today.